The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, and I have some things I want to talk to you about. Now first things first. Now the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons inside of a KFC establishment. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. The video also shows when one of those persons attacked the other person, or in my point of view, the confrontation escalated to a point where one of those persons attacked the other person and the other person retaliated because of the attack. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation between those two persons. But if you look and listen to the video carefully, you might get an understanding as to what caused the confrontation between those two persons. You can also take a look at the video and tell me who you think was wrong based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video. All right? Yeah, one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media, and I would like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about this video. All right? Now, please bear in mind that in the video you can hear a certain amount of harsh language, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Only in Jamaica.
I went to take a look. I want to do something. Sometimes when you see all them things that happening, sometimes I just misunderstanding, you know, and high temper at the same time, you know, the people. You see me I say? But overall, I see wrong from both angles. I tell you straight up and down, because here what I'm now, see? Alright, so if the man do something that the other person who the over the counter don't like, and if that person act away, see, which can be considered to be disrespectful, in my point of view, depending on what the whole situation is about, that person can be considered as wrong. You see me I say, because me the man says something about write down or pen or something like that. It might not be accurate, but you see me I say, but if I really write the man I write something, or if I pen the man take and I use, you see me I say, then in my point of view, that seems a very petty to escalate into something like this. You understand? So if that be the whole case, then the person over the counter at a fault there. So, but then now the other person now over the other side now, which is the man, right? In my point of view, I know that people can do some things that make you upset at times, but one of the best things you can do is walk away. You see me? I'm not gonna act like me perfect because sometimes anger can get the best of any one of us. You understand? But me still I go try to give the best advice that I can. So I think it will be best that in walk away. So I see faults from both sides. You understand? But you can tell me what you think, you have viewers and subscribers. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. You can also tell me what you think about the things that I said. And I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, viewers and subscribers, before I present another video to you, I want to let you know about a news article that I read that gave me the understanding that someone from within the country of Jamaica found and returned a female police officer's gun. According to this news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that a senior superintendent of police who goes by the name of Dwight Powell, the head of the Senton Police Division, said that a resident who found the weapon took the weapon to a justice of the peace and it was handed over to the police on Sunday. Now, this news article had been published on Sunday the 13th of March, the year 2022. You see? So you do the maths, viewers and subscribers. Now, another part of the news article gave me the understanding that news article said that the woman constable lost the Glock pistol with 17 rounds in bushes somewhere within Senton, Jamaica on Saturday. That's what the news article said. The news article had been published on Sunday the 13th of March, the year 2022. See? Yeah, another part of the news article gave me the understanding that the female policewoman lost the gun when she went to relieve herself. I don't think I need to explain more about that. You understand? Oh yeah, another part of the news article of viewers and subscribers, and this is the thing where me I wonder, because if a police officer, whether it be man or woman, lose a gun, you know, me I wonder if there's some form of penalty. Now, you see, another part of this news article gave me the understanding that the news article said that the policewoman is now the subject of an internal investigation. You see me? Remember, no. The female lose the gun. Me I talk about the policewoman. So me I wonder if there's some form of punishment or penalty or fine for this. So another part of this news article said that under Section 41A of the Firearm Act, a person who loses a firearm through negligence shall be guilty of an offense and in some ways might even face conviction, to viewers and subscribers. As I say, might be liable to be fined not exceeding $100,000 or to be imprisoned with or without hard labor for not more than 12 months. As I say, I kind of skip out a part of that news article right there, viewers and subscribers. But I know so there should be some form of penalty or fine or punishment for losing a firearm as a policewoman or a policeman. As I say, and the person who found and returned that gun, I go up say that person they get a good reward, you know. Yeah, man, I hope say that person they get a good reward. That person for get a good reward. You see it? And then for make it be publicly known too. You see it? Yeah, man, because in my point of view, is a good person found that gun. See? Anyways, I guess I'm going to left that, viewers and subscribers. So I'm going to move on to another video. You can let me know what to think about the things that I just told you, alright? Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person inside of a hospital. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. But according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows a sick person asking for help from anyone. Now, viewers and subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. And if you listen to the video carefully, you might get a good understanding about the person's situation. I do not have any confirmed contact for the person. Now, this is a warning that if anyone or if more than one person post a comment or comments in the comment section of this video with a phone number or phone numbers claiming to be for the person who you're about to see and hear in this video asking for help, please be very careful and please make sure that the phone number or phone numbers is for the person who you are about to see and hear in this video asking for help, if you decide to help the person. Because I do not have any confirmed contact for the person. And sometimes you have some persons who will and might do bad things on social media that are considered to be scam. You see me I say? Now I'm going to make a large part of this video somewhat hard to see some of the things that's going on in the video, viewers and subscribers, because the video shows inside of a hospital and the video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. Alright? And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I'm also presenting the video to you just in case if this person can get help by me presenting this video. You understand? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe. You can also tell me what you think.
It's Jamaica. This is Omar Kramer asking for little help.
Listen, people.
From 2019, I have a pain in my belly. And my foot them always as swell. You understand? I admit public 2 times, 3 times. Now I come admit a university 2 times. Last time I there, I get discharged Valentine Day.
Yeah.
But the liquid, let me draw some from me.
Yeah.
And them just little again.
Yeah.
And my belly swell big. This is why them bore me. And drain the fluid from me.
Fluid.
So I need to do a surgery, but I have no money. I'm just pray for God to work a miracle for me, so I can get the surgery done, so I can live back a normal life.
For real, Janu.
I am a chef. I love the cook. You understand? My thing about cooking and planting, I love them too, something there. Recently, I scratched this up on my foot, and it bliss up, and it give me a pain in the leg. Stiff pain, hot. The leg must stop drain water. That's how you see it. Bandage up. You understand?
I try to show certain
Belly
things, but
big.
we can't present certain things to people.
But it's a big son help, you know, helping and anybody who can donate something to me can help me out. I give thanks to you. I shout out for help and prayer. All the good Christian people who know Omar Kramer, I beg you just pray for me, keep me strong in the spirit. So it's rough.
Real.
Morning, sir.
My people, at any point of life, anything can happen to anyone. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, when we see videos like this on social media, a lot of times videos like this on social media just touch me as well. You understand? And, you know, based on some things that the person said in the video to viewers and subscribers, see me? I'm going to tell you what I think. I might be right and I might be wrong, but some of the things that the person said in that video sounds like kidney problem. You know, I'm not saying that it is kidney problem. It just sounds like kidney problem. You know, but you know, viewers and subscribers, we just present the video to you so that you can at least hear some things that the person said. You know what I mean? And I really hope that the person get the help. Again, I don't have any confirmed contact for the person. See? And you should be careful of any phone number you see on social media claiming that the phone number is for the person. If you decide to help the person, just make sure that any phone number you get from social media is for the person before you go send money to somebody that is not the person. You understand? So be very careful out there. Me just make that be very clear, alright? That's how I stay my people. I try to make sure I keep my information them confirmed and real. You see me I say? I really hope that this person get help. But I have to just say it like it is. I now go twist and bend and act like I know everything or me have everything. You see me? Anyways, my people, yes, I'm gonna left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what I think about the things that I talked to you about in this video and those videos that I presented to you. Alright, so stay safe, walk good, and I will see you next time. Big up on yourself, you see it?